Okay, so today we have the Expert Grill. Purchased it from Walmart. It's a pretty nice setup. It has even a bottle opener, for those Coronas and those Modelos. Nice thermometer. Has a shelf. Even has a rack for your cooking utensils. And a nice shelf. I think it's less than 130 bucks. You can't beat that. So right now we're just giving it a, initial burn. Just to cook off anything that they, use to paint it. We won't eat anything yet off of it. We're going to burn a coal through it first. And then we'll eat on it after that. Just to burn off all the chemicals that they sprayed on the grill. Something my grandfather taught me when you get a new grill. And I believe it works, He lived to be 98, so he knows what he's talking about. So, here you have it, the Expert Grill from Walmart.